In this video, we're going to talk about the global switches in the options. If you haven't opened options, go up to the upper left, click the options, and the options will open. Under global settings, you have these global switches. The switch works by clicking the word. So if I click off here, it'll turn the switch on. If I click on, it turns it back off. So our security enabled require, if it's set to on, then you have to log in. As you can see, now you can log out. If it's set to off, then you do not have to log in when FFL Tool starts. If you're using it in a multi-user environment, you definitely want to turn the security enabled on. Welcome enabled, it turns on this welcome screen. So if you don't want to see the welcome screen, you just turn that off. The sticky date is used in acquisitions and dispositions. So if you turned on sticky date and then went into acquire a firearm and set the date to a historical date, then after you acquired that firearm, the date would stay whatever day you set it to. If sticky date is off, then the date would have reset back to the current date. Use full FFL number. Using the full FFL number, if it's on, then you have to type in the full FFL number when doing a new vendor, FFL Easy Check. Also, with it on, it will show the complete FFL number in all the reports. And on the 4473, anywhere there's an FFL number, it'll show the complete FFL number instead of the first three and the last five. If it's off, then all that's required is the first three and the last five. FFL packing slip, that's for when you're doing a transfer or doing a disposition to an FFL holder, and you have two options under that. We'll discuss those in another video. The portal, on or off. The FFL portal is a portal that we're still developing, but it will allow to transfer firearms easily between two users of FFL tools, and it'll streamline the disposition and then the acquisition process by the other FFL. This will be very useful for our customers that have multiple store locations in which they transfer inventory back and forth. The portal itself will have its own video or sets of videos. And then use a transfer receipt, on or off. If you click it on, you get this. You can put in your web address, phone number, fax number, Twitter account, Facebook account, tax rate, any of your disclaimer notes, and insert a logo. And when you do that, you can then specify in the disposition side for a 4473 disposition if this was a transfer, and generate a receipt for your customer. That setting will also have its own video. So thank you for your time.